Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Igloohome IGP1 smart padlock and you need to change the battery on it. Now this is a real easy thing to do. The hardest thing to do is to get this stuff. You just need a CR2 battery and then a Torx 27 screwdriver. There actually one came with this lock. If you've lost it, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get a new one for just a few bucks. And also I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the CR2 battery, because they're not always the super easiest things to find. But it's actually really easy to do. We're just going to unlock the padlock, and with the shackle open, unlocked, we're just going to come to the back, and with our Torx, we're going to turn this clockwise so that this dash here goes from being down here over to that little dot over there. And when you do that, you'll see this will pop open like this. The back of the padlock will pop open. You can pull that back off and you'll see the CR2 battery just sitting in there with the plus side up. You just pull the old one out, put the new one in, and then you'll just put this top back here, close it up like this, come back in with your Torx, and then turn this back down to the lock position, and then you can go ahead and lock your lock. And then from there, that's pretty much it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.